अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने एक बार फिर पाकिस्तान भारत जंग का जिक्र कर दिया। वर्जीनिया में अमरीकी जनरल से खिताब में कहा कि उन्होंने एटमी ताकत के हामिल ममालिक के दरमियान जंग रुकवाई। जंग जारी रहती तो लाखों इंसानी जानें चली जाती। ट्रंप ने वजीर आजम शहबाज शरीफ और फील्ड मार्शल आसिम मुनीर की भी तारीफ की।
India and Pakistan were going at it, and I called them both. And in this case, I used trade. I'm not going to trade with you. Used to two nuclear nations, big nuclear. And no, you cannot do that. I said, yes, I can. You go into this freaking war that I'm hearing about. You know, actually, they just shot down 7 planes. 7 planes. It was starting. There's a lot of bad blood. And I said, you do this, there's not going to be any trade. And I stopped the war. It was raging for 4 days, but that was just the beginning. And we stopped it. It was a great thing. And the Prime Minister of Pakistan was here, along with the Field Marshal, who's a very important guy in Pakistan. And he was here 3 days ago. And I didn't even realize it as beautifully as he said it, but he said that to a group of people that were with us, 2 generals, but a group, he said, this man saved millions of lives because he saved the war from going on.